Observe the structural failure of this high-fat triple cream cheese. At an optimal temperature of 68 degrees, the internal lipid matrix begins to destabilize. We are witnessing a non-Newtonian fluid transition as the creamy core yields to gravitational pull. Note the specific viscosity as the interior flows across the polished white stone. The sound is a muted heavy slide, a low-frequency sonic event that characterizes high-density dairy. This slow-motion slump reveals the aeration and richness of the cream, creating a velvet curtain of ivory. The tension between the firm rind and the molten center creates a visually satisfying contrast. Each millimeter of movement represents a precise thermodynamic state. The way the cream clings to the marble surface indicates a high butterfat percentage, ensuring a smooth, seamless glide without fragmentation. The final resting position is a glossy, undulating pool of gastronomic luxury. This is a masterclass in textural collapse and the pinnacle of sensory dairy physics.